Salmon, watercress and avocado salad is a bit of a house special in Casa Lawson. I make it so often I could probably make it in my sleep. And I like to use wild Alaskan sockeye salmon, which naturally has this vivid hue. And although it's in a frying pan, I poach it. I want some spring onion to bring a bit of flavour to the poaching liquid. And some black peppercorns. The reason I use a frying pan is that you don't need much liquid, which means it comes to a bubble faster and it cools faster, so the flesh stays tender and doesn't overcook. I want the sprightliness and brightness of some lime. And I think you need to be bold with the salt. I have devised the perfect poaching procedure for this. I let the pan come to a bubble, and once it does bubble, I turn off the heat, I turn the fish over, and I let them stand in the pan for 7 minutes. Works for me every time. So it's bubbling now. I do not want it to come to a rollicking boil. Turn off the heat and flip these over. They do look a bit raw on the top, but they will cook so gently as they stand in the water. The texture will be soft and luxurious. I like a bit of crunch in the salad, so I add pumpkin seeds. Now, I love pumpkin seeds anywhere and anyhow, but toasted, they really are wonderful. It enhances their flavour and it brings out their nuttiness and smokiness. And if I wait patiently, I'll start hearing them pop. Patiently being the key word. Oh, they're going. The noise reminds me of those little caps that my brother had when we were little, and you flicked them like that, picked at them, and they would pop like the pumpkin seeds. I don't want them scorched, obviously, but I do want them to brown a little, or rather go bronze among the green. I'm going to give myself the pleasure of a few more pops, and then I'm going to shake them out into a pan to cool. Beautiful. The salmon's had its time. I'm going to peel away the skin, although I love skin if fish is fried or grilled, not when it's poached. Perfect. And they can sit on the plate to get cool. Will I get on with my salad? I want a tangle of watercress. Arranging. And a few drops of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. And I love the fierce pepperiness of watercress. It's the perfect foil to the smoothness of the avocado and indeed the salmon. I prefer just to spoon out curls of avocado rather than have it sliced rigidly. Getting rather camouflaged in there. Now the salmon. See, this is how I like to eat salmon. Still a bit bright coral within. Silky, the texture. I always go for cold-pressed rapeseed oil here. Again, it's got a pepperiness like the watercress, although extra virgin olive oil would not be a bad choice. The crunch of pumpkin seeds. This is the work of mere moments. Such a relaxing way to cook fish. Getting excited now.